Does anyone else feel incredibly disconnected from the people who use the software we create? I know I do. And for some reason, every company I've worked at, bar one, over the last 20 years, has had this idea that keeping developers away from customers is a good thing to do. And I have to confess, I've never really understood why. I kind of get a lot of the kind of surface level justifications. Developers can be, well, sometimes a little bit socially awkward, a little bit strange. But if we're building software for people, and those people can't talk to us, and instead they have to talk through layers of project managers, agile coaches, nothing wrong with those roles at all, of course. But if they have to talk through all these layers to get to an engineer, we're not really in touch with what people need, and we can't even understand them. Even if you built software by a customer making a request and a developer implementing it, which a shocking number of people seem to think is a good idea. Spoiler alert, it is not. Even if that were true, it would be a game of telephone. But that's not even true. So in order to make really great software, we need to understand the customer. We need to understand the person that we're making the software for. We need to understand their problems, their stresses, their trials, their tribulations. And if we don't understand those, and if we don't really understand our customers, the people we're shipping software to, I don't really understand anymore how we can make excellent software. I get how we can make some mediocre software, maybe, possibly. But yeah, I know it's a controversial take, but I think we should be talking to customers. I think developers should have a straight line to the people who are using our software. Now, that's a very different deal to having that line and being able to say anything we want. That is a terrible idea. We shouldn't be able to make commitments. We shouldn't be able to say things like, oh, we'll have that fixed for you next week, because the business needs to be in charge of all of these different logistical pieces. But anyway, are you with me on that or against me? Do you agree, disagree? Do you think it's a good idea that developers are separated from customers? Maybe you've got some good reasons why that could be the case. So comment below and let me know what you think about that. Personally, I think it's not a very good way of building effective, excellent software. Okay, I am going now. Bye.